things are just different. So much have changed. You said you love me, but it's just not the same.
Wagwan, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I know it's been a minute since you see me. From after the movie premiere, you don't see me. You wonder Wagwan, why me stop vlog right after the movie premiere and all of that. Me did a wait on some other things to fall through, I ain't no fall through. But as you can see, the background dig up. Everything dig up in here. Me a move, guys. You see me, I move again. And thing. So now go journey with me. You see we got a new place, pack up everything. Some of me something right there. So Kiwi over there, so bicycle. Me try clear out the whole place. You see me? We are go on a new journey right now. And new things. And I bring on with me like always, you know. I go up the thing, you know. When I move go, I not go there for too long neither. Probably couple months. Cause I work on a place, you see me? And thing. So yeah, when I go move now on my place still, but I go work on the next place, you see me? I can't wait. I have my bonnet and thing for me ear, me pull out my ear and thing. But yeah, today is moving day. I want a journey with me. Never know me have whole heap of old clothes till now. I dash a whole heap. Well, not dash it. I donate a whole heap. So yeah, stay tuned. Mother upon yourself and thanks to the love and support if you click this and watch it. I'm gonna think journey with me as I'm getting older and lifing. Alright vlog world, so wagwan late in the night. We reach over a new place as you can see. This is going to be my room. You don't know, start over from scratch, TV up on ground, the bed set up and everything already. That's my closet. I know why this thing I move, so hold on, let me fix it. Yeah, as me that said, this is my closet. I give you a quick little tour. I don't really set up it or anything. Walk-in closet big. I just throw everything in there. And bathroom, living room, Kiwi cover up under there, so. And the kitchen. That's just the tour for tonight. I don't have a big major tour because it's not big. So I can't show no too much place. Because I don't want someone to know the complex where I live in. You see me? That's very important too. But late in the night, we are going easy back and chill. Tomorrow I have my daughter. I have to go make the flyer for the movie premiere. I do a movie premiere this month. This week we're supposed to shoot. And when I say already we move and get everything out the way, I think I go pop the buckle soon. But I'm going to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Mother upon yourself. Good morning, everybody. Early in the morning. Probably 6:32. And I'm about to go pick up my daughter. I don't pack up my clothes yet. Nah, nothing. But I'm kind of pissed off, dog. I just fix my car, you know. The engine light come back on again, bro. Me just move, you know. Now watch your curse shirt. It's too greasy out. Me just wake up and wash my face and bathe and put it on. Me never press nothing. All of my clothes ain't crush up. Me don't really care. But why when shit are going good in your life? And when your car want go on with a bag of things, bro? This morning me say me button start the car. Cause me live up power and balcony. Me say me button start the car before me go downstairs. Me button start the car and fucking engine light come on. Me don't do that again. No, this week me fi shoot, you know. And me have to go deal with car issues now. You know what? I gonna act like I don't see it today. I gonna act like I don't see it this week. Cause me nah lie. Me really want to get the shooting done this week and this car not gonna fuck it up. It not gonna fuck it up. So as me say, we are about to go pick up my daughter and thing. And my car got the park. I have a whole heap of shit to do with her today. But I don't think I go show her. I probably just show what I do. You see me, because lately I don't vlog phone and that's bad. But a lot are going with me. Life is life in right now, you know? Yeah, I'm not stop saying that. That's a new talk. Down in the comment section below, put life is life in. If life is life in for you right now, you know what I mean. So big up on yourself. I'm so forward back. Me and my daughter day here. I spend the day with her. Now what time for she go home. Hi, mama. She that take a nap a while ago and she wake up now. What we carry over her mother? What happened? Up? Stay up? No, tell Dada up. Say up. No, you gotta tell Dada up. What you want? Hmm? You want Dada lift you up? Okay. Dada can't show you on camera, okay? No, Dada can't show you on camera. Don't tell Dada stop! No. I should come back. I can carry her home and then come back. I love being a father, yo. Good morning, vlog world. It's me again, Trabass. Back again. Me just done change. Bed and everything for shoot today. Room is a mess. Don't mind the bed. I'm going to spread it soon. I like me not spread it. But yeah. So today shooting day, guys. And I'm so excited. Yeah. Me no sleep last night as usual. Today's supposed to be a lot of up and down, and I try vlog as much as possible. Me no want miss out nothing today. So I go try vlog as much for now. So me have a long vlog at least, you know, or at least have content for post. But stay tuned. I'm gonna go see kiwi. Kiwi out the door make nice. It's cold here in Florida today, and I don't know what's going on with the weather. Hello, Kiwi. See she outside. Look there. She could have fly away already, you know. But she don't want to fly away. Come, step up. Come here. Oh, this is on my hand. Come here. Step up. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Good birdie. You don't want to leave. Pretty bird. Give me a kiss. Pretty bird, Kiwi. Kiwi, go. Kiwi, go. Give me a kiss. Alright guys, so I'm so forward back. I go carry my park right there, so go and mad up on yourself. I go carry her in. Shh.
What was that? Is that the Lisa Hype lady that's on the internet? Who the fuck she calling Lisa Hype? Lisa, y'all gonna take the short off? Oh. As a mad girl! I love it! Guys, I love the behind the scenes.
Love it.
Trabass picked a great location because this just looked like some madness. It's okay if I cut, I won't sue Aura.
That's why I'm a judge.
I won't sue you guys.
Right?
No, I don't believe in that. Have you ever been in a situation like this?
Never.
So you never got beat up?
Nah.
You lying.
My life too peaceful.
Haiti?
No.
Have you ever been in a situation like this?
Just last night.
For real?
Hi guys. I'm gonna marry to Star. I'm gonna propose to the ring.
What you did with it?
I don't know. We can go buy a ring. It no matter.
Y'all see how crazy this man is?
Crazy.
I'm not doing this again, for real. If he don't send me a script, I'm not answering him.
You tell them why me not sending no script?
No.
You don't want me? You want me?
No. I know that's right.
What can we do?
Spin that shit.
I'm not a real Florida nigga. What the fuck?
What you talking about?
Look at it.
Pussy ass nigga. Pussy ass nigga. Fuck nigga. What you talking about? Y'all ain't even fucking with him like that.
We could go all day.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck boy.
Oh, you have him have one too, you know.
What? Cool?
Hey, puppy. Don't rob me.
Puppy at work.
Like you really.
I just want you to know that no matter how professional he is with you, he's very unprofessional with me. So if I look confused all the time, it's very unfair being like one of the people that's been there and he really like working with you. It's not equal.
Deal with it anywhere.
Any type of you know how your parents, when you was a kid, your mom always take out the good stuff for the guests, and at home when you there they treat you like shit. he treat me horrible. He be like, wake up, Star, let's go do this. Oh, Star. What's that?
Oh, we have to this.
No, is it? Bricks!
Yeah, just land with the club.
Hey! Bricks, bomb, bricks, bomb, bricks! He's setting the angles.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Look how you look like your beard. Oh, God. You been working out? Flex again, let them see. You're not working out nothing.
Not yet.
Yo, you remember when you used to work out heavy?
Yeah,
used to wake up. Yeah, used to wake up and work out.
No, me not know, man. I should have known me I do it.
Yeah.
Soon.
You guys, I'm taking Trabass somewhere.
Hello, good night.
So y'all just sell dicks?
Waffles, this waffles?
Yes, with a shake.
Oh.
With ice cream?
I just never been in here before, so we wanted to vlog it. He gets thousands of views on YouTube, so it's gonna get you good promo.
Right here you have
Let me see.
a few.
Can you hold it up?
Delicious, all titty.
He said dickalicious. And they got titties.
What's this, a vagina?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a pum pum.
Yes.
Oh.
This, right?
That.
Free delivery.
Dicks on demand.
Imagine you just go date night, get drinks with the date, and no one dessert. That lead into the bedroom right after, you know. If me buy you a dick waffle.
Oh my God, he bricked us up.
The police come in a second, so we have to just drop and hold up here.
You me to myself now, the camera watch me right now, the man inside us. What the fuck?
An old-time drug lord, you know?
Really
Just come back with you want your really go? You say after me go, so I should do it. Me realize I should do it. The man them want name whoever food. If me say ham, people lay down. And I can't afford for nothing I'm to her. Or nothing like that. Somebody just hold it. You understand what I'm saying? And then me get shot for it. See what I'm saying?
For real?
Yeah, man.
What is love? I developed fast. By 13, I had boobs. By 14, I just thought maybe the club.
I saw you giving out your number to the customer.
Why are you firing me? I need this job and you know that.
Fired.
Okay, I'll text you my address and now.
To a wonderful night. Don't fuck with me, bitch! What the fuck? Yeah.
I don't go drunk. I don't sound drunk.
Yes, but he would know.
No.
The fuck she looking at?
Andrew, I've seen that girl from where I can't put my finger on it. Star! Yeah. Drop the man in the thing, she plugged up some. Say one dirty, stinking, nasty, worry girl.